Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean or replace a throttle body on an Opel Corsa B from 1995. The throttle body is located under the carburetor right here, and I have to remove all these parts in order to get access to that one. So with a 6mm socket I'm going to remove these two hoses over here. You can use as well a flathead screwdriver. Next, with a screwdriver in cross, I'm going to undo these two large bolts over here. These two, put them apart. Then I can safely remove the plastic cover. And over here on the back you're gonna find two vacuum hoses. I will disconnect the black one, the one that's connected to the throttle body, and put this apart. Now on the carburetor there are three electric connectors that you have to disconnect. The first one is on top over here, and I'm going to use this type of pliers to push out those plastic flaps and try to wiggle it out without breaking it, like this. The second connector is down here. You don't need any tools, just press this flap and wiggle it out. The third connector is hidden over here. I'm going to press on the plastic flap, like so. Next, using a flathead screwdriver, I will release the acceleration wire. As you can see, there is a little ball joint over here, which is held in by this little plastic clap, which I just opened right now. Now I can safely push it out from the position, like that. There are two more vacuum hoses to disconnect. First one is here. I will remove this one as well, because it stays in my way. Another vacuum hose to disconnect is this one over here. It runs from the back, but I found that it's a better idea to disconnect it from here, because it's much easier to get access to. Now there are two more set of bolts to undo. These two over here, which needs a T30. One is out, and the second one. Next, with a 13mm socket, I will undo these two last bolts. Now I'm gonna just pull this carburetor out, or injection, semi-injection system, and there is enough room for me to remove the throttle body. As you can see, on top there is one gasket. I will take it out. Throttle body is out. Now once the throttle body is out, I'm going to clean it up. Once it's nice and clean, I'm going to let it dry for a couple of minutes. I'm going to spray some cleaner on the gasket as well. At the bottom of throttle body there is one more gasket, which I'm going to remove and give it a clean. Now once everything is nice, clean, shiny and dry, I'm going to place them back. The reverse process, of course. First the bottom gasket. I'm going to place it back in the right position. Next, the throttle body will go like this, because if you remember, there are two little hoses, vacuum hoses over here, facing this way. I'm going to insert that vacuum hose in the back there, like that. Next, place back the gasket between the throttle body and the carburetor. Of course, I make sure that the shapes match over here. Then screw in the torque bolts, tighten the nuts back. When you torque the nuts back, you got to make sure that you don't break this bolt, because it seems very fragile, and once you break them, it's gonna be not nice. You're gonna be in trouble. Now I can go ahead and connect the electric connectors back, the vacuum hoses. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. If you are interested, consider subscribing to this channel, and until next time, take care and I'll see you soon.